Good Monday, everyone, and a cold Monday morning it is, even with some clouds hanging around last night. My thermometer still dropped down to about 4 degrees, so yikes. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. USA Mortgage, level of concern for our Monday, level 2. So it is a meteorologist mark weather alert day for dangerously cold temperatures and slick spots on area roads. Premier Generator is bringing us our winter weather threat level, and we're looking at dangerously cold temperatures. So not looking for any snow, sleet, or freezing rain, but we are looking for some dangerously cold temperatures to be with us for the next, gosh, I don't know, 48 hours or so. So just be very, very, very careful Monday through Wednesday morning. But Wednesday afternoon, we start to see some recovery from this Arctic air mass. But until then, it is going to be cold. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. It's a meteorologist mark weather alert day, as you see there on the top of the MON for Monday there. And then we see mostly sunny skies and clouds. Clouds will continue to thin. They thinned out last night. That's one reason why our temperatures were able to drop like they did. But we didn't clear out. If we had cleared out, there's no doubt in my mind we would have went 2 or 3 below zero. And we may do that Tuesday night. Sunny today. Highs only in the teens. Dropping down to only 10 tonight because it is going to be cloudy tonight. That winter storm we've been talking about for the Gulf Coast is going to throw clouds our way. That's going to keep us a little bit warmer. Tuesday, it stays cloudy. We may see a couple of flurries fly. Not going to see any accumulation from that. Highs only in the low 20s, hopefully. With cloud cover, that's going to be hard to get to. But everything says we're going to get a little bit warmer. And then we drop down to 1 Tuesday night, and I think that's probably optimistic. I think several of you all are probably going to go 2, 3, 4 below zero under clear skies, and they're going to be very clear. Then on Wednesday, the Arctic high moves to the east, and we start to recover from this air mass. We get up into the low 30s. Hopefully, we get above freezing, but we'll see. Dropping back down to the teens Wednesday night. Thursday, we're partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. My goodness, we'll be in shorts and short sleeves. And then Friday, looking cloudy. That part of the forecast is still the most uncertain. And by that, I mean, are we going to be cloudy or are we going to be sunny? And if we're cloudy, will we get a couple of flurries? Not looking for anything impactful at that. That's looking more benign with every model run. So don't be too worried about that. Weichert Realtors brings us our 6 to 10 day threat outlook, and I'm watching January the 26th. Excuse me, that's next Sunday. But I have good news for those of you who are tired of the winter weather. It looks like we're going to be warm enough for rain. So I'll keep a close eye on that. And I mean, it's one of those situations where it could start out as a little bit of a wintry mix Saturday night, but I don't even know about that. So it's looking like a primarily rain event as temperatures warm up quite nicely by Sunday. So well, something for you all to look forward to if you're tired of the wintry weather. M&M snow day forecast for Tuesday. What you got ain't going nowhere, especially in the shaded spots on the area roads and back roads and whatnot. I'm giving it a 90% chance. I do this for Cumberland and Fentress County, but you could also extend this to Putnam County because you all in Monterey, you're right up here with us in Crossville, Jamestown, on the same elevation. So, yeah, I do. I'm speaking for you all too. So we'll see. But I'm saying 90% chance. Besides that, it's just gonna be so cold. It's too cold to go to school. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramall Travel, 1985. If you think it's cold now, all-time record Arctic cold air settled in Tennessee. Crossville Experiment Station went to 15 below zero. The Crossville Airport went to 21 below zero. That is our all-time record low. Now, some folks, I know Allert recorded, I think, like 24 below zero. Livingston, I think, was like 20-something below zero. It was the coldest air we've ever had. The high temperature in Crossville on this day in 1985 was 6. Yeah, coldest we've ever been, and as far as records go, it's on this date in 1985, so it could be worse. You folks have a wonderful Monday, and stay warm and stay safe, and just, many of y'all are off on holiday. It's a double holiday, Martin Luther King Day and the Inauguration Day. So maybe just stay inside if you can at all. If you can't and you have to go to work, please be careful and prepare for car troubles just in case, because it is just so cold. If you could run into some serious troubles pretty quickly. I'll keep an eye on that forecast. Things change quick this time of the year, so keep checking back. Keep checking back right here to Meteorologist Mark.